Sorry, na-late. Kasi na-log out ako. Sorry. Sorry na. Hello, Eddie Meow. Hi, Rishin. Yan. Oh, 7 na agad. Hi. Well, ano ba to? Hindi ko mapindot. So, yung flight, nakadating ko lang actually mga few hours ago. Like, sobrang, wala naman jet lag kasi ano lang, 4 hours lang naman yung flight. Pero yung ano ko kasi, yung oras is alanganin. Like, alanganin for me kasi super early in the morning that I have to go to the airport, of course, to check in, like that. So, wala nang tulog yun, wala kagabi. Siyempre, sinulit ko na. Sinulit ko na yung stay ko. So, hindi na ako natulog. Tapos, dire-diretso. So, natulog lang ako ng konti today pagdating ko. Sinundo ako ng dad ko galing airport. Thanks to my dad. Thank you naman. May maagang gift si Eddie Meow. Wow, thank you to Rishin pala. Yan. Hi! Sino kaya si 15 billion the second? Am I working with you? So, idea lang guys. Of course, in my work, parang I have 2 jobs actually. So, in my first work, doon medyo alam ko pa kung sino yung mga empleyado na. Pero, second work, hindi ko na alam kasi malaki yun eh. So, wala akong visibility and record of the whole company employees. So, nasa isang head ako ng isang department doon sa isang company na yun. So, hindi ko talaga sure if may mga nanonood na employees. So anyway, if you're watching, welcome. And yeah, this is the side of me na hindi si HR Lee. So there. Welcome sa mga pumapasok. So 19 na tayo. Good evening and happy Sunday, guys! How's your Sunday? Uy, thank you, Nyaw! Yun, medyo paus pa, no? Kasi ang dry ng air sa airplane. So actually sa tuwing ako sumasakay ng airplane, madalas na nag-dry or nagsusore throat because of dry air. Sorry. Ako ba yung pindot ng invite, guys? Sorry. Na mag-guest. You don't have to. Just got back as an MN Love. Hi, Dream! Welcome! So, we're so happy to have you back. By the way, for those who just stumbled upon this live, I'm MNL48 Yana. So, I am part of the 4th generation of MNL48. So, MNL48, just to give you an idea for those who don't know, it's based on Japan, based on a girl group, idol group in Japan, which is AKB48. So, MNL48 is the sort of branch here in the Philippines. So, there are a lot of other countries with the same girl group concept. So they are what we call sister companies. Sister group. So meron sa Bangkok, meron sa actually two in Bangkok, right? Bangkok and Chiang Mai, and then also in Indonesia, in Jakarta. So there. I'm very happy to have you here, guys. 39 na tayo. Yay! And grabe, na-achieve ko na agad yung yung goal ko for today. O, tapusin na natin to. Joke lang. Of course, I'm so happy na, wow, how many minutes pa lang na-achieve na. But, thank you so much sa mga gifts. I hope that today will be a very fruitful life for us. So, yeah. Usually naman nagre-read ako ng mga comments and I really want to, interact with you, answer whatever you want to ask me. And of course, I did a poll, or not a poll, but a question in Instagram today. And I was asking, like, what playlist do you have on your own? What weekend playlist do you have? So, I'm gonna pick one from there, and yeah, and I'm gonna sing that, okay? So there. Ano ba? Ayan. By the way, welcome back to the Land of Beautiful Smile. Really? Land of Beautiful Smile ba, Philippines? So, okay. That's new to me, and thank you so much for welcoming me. Okay. May holiday pa ngayong September. Tapos na. Yung Ninoy Aquino at saka yung ano nga ba yung isang holiday? Nakalimutan ko. September 21 tsaka nakalimutan ko yung isa. Tapos na eh. Huwag na natin bring back. So wala na. So ang susunod na holiday I think is November na. Actually October 31 usually nag-holiday, but I'm not sure kung gagawin ngayong taon. So, November 1 and 2 also stay. All Saints Day. Wow, nag-update. So, may long weekend ba? Invite ata live niya. Oo, inayos ko na, guys. So, yun, hindi na kayo invite. Alam nilang idol ka. Yuri Fito. Yung mga ka-team member ko, actually, it's not a custom for me to tell them. So, nung na-meet nila ako first, they know, but they're not telling me. So, there was an instance na nagkaroon kami ng sharing about outside things. So, that's the time that I opened it up na, actually, guys, I'm part of a group. Pero secret lang. Ganun. So, sabi nila, alam namin, Miss Lay. Ganun. So, that's how professional we are at work. We don't discuss those things and we don't treat each other. Meron din akong mga ka-work na sort of celebrities, ganyan. But it doesn't really bother or affect our work together. So, hi, Eddie Meow! Ang aga mo maging reindeer. May nakapansin! So, look. May tag pa nga. Sorry. Ayun. Ang mura, oh. Pero it's so cute. High quality siya. So, actually, I'm gonna release a mini vlog, hopefully, very soon. Kung saan ko ito nabili. So, I went sa parang underground mall in Korea. And nakita ko to in preparation for, Christmas. Ano lang siya, yung simple na band para hindi kumalat yung buhok mo. Yes, reindeer na ako today. Amazing that you are able to juggle all your ganaps. Thanks, Green Van Lions. I remember you're there sa mga past 2 lives ko. I think last live, right? So, welcome again! Pangit mo. So, time, and of course focus every time kung nasaan ako. So let's do that, guys. Hindi lang naman ako, actually ang daming MNL48 members na ginajuggle, lalo na yung schooling. It's not easy, but we love what we do. So yun. we're able to do it. So, just get back. Sorry. Naka-save po pa po ba? Nice dress. Oy, thank you. This is actually my favorite. Many times na sinusuot ko to. So, ang cute-cute niya. Nabili ko to sa bangko. Ang ganda. Yun lang. So, this is not our safe phone. So, check our Instagram. We have posts ng namin. Kabesha. So, meron kaming nakasuot kami ng safe phone. And every live interaction, I believe that it has, we have episodes. So, my sisters, MNL48 members, my other MNL48 members po, nag-live po sila and naka-save po sila. So, you can check out that one para makita mo. And, ba't wala ka sa live ni Rachel? Nasaan yung live ni Rachel? Sorry, lost ako. Pero, actually, we have interactive lives there's a schedule, and I'm gonna have mine soon. So I'm happy to tell you that my tentative live. So nood kayo, guys. Yan. Yung mga kasama ko is si MNL48 Clariel, MNL48 Dana, MNL48 Cole. O, diba? Bigatin sila, guys. Nakakahiya tumabi sa kanila, pero I'm so excited. So, reindeer costume chat reunion. Oo nga gusto ko nga. Ikaw din naman. Wag mo napansin chat namin. Sorry. My nose is bleeding. Ay, sorry. Kasi, syempre, galing tayo sa ibang bansa, no? Hindi ako makapag-Filipino doon. So, kahit pa paano, I'm learning Korean. Pero sobrang hirap talaga. Hindi ako makakeep up, guys, ng Korean. So, kahit sabihin ko na, sasabihin nila mali pa rin yung pronunciation ko. So, actually, sa Korean, parang yung T and D nila, parehas lang. So, dapat gitna yun. So, nahihirapan ako kasi I also know a bit of Japanese. So, meron pang mga similar words sa Japanese word na magkaiba yung meaning. I can't remember or I can't, give an example on top of my head. Pero, kaya litong-lito na si ate mo, girl. So, ngayon, pagbigyan niyo na ako, ay, tingnan mo yung tsura ka, parang akong Chinese. Sa K-drama, C-drama. Banat na banat. Joke na. Okay, may nag-screenshot nun. Yung ko na nga. Thank you, Nya, for the gifts. So, hi, Seth. Welcome home, Yana. Hi, Riri. Ikaw ba yan, Riri? Okay. Nagulat ako. Naka-invite ako mag-desk live. Sorry, Nanyaw. Okay, sana mapili. Bundo. Ay. So, nakauwi ka na Pinas sa malapit. So, malapit na magkaganap. Yes. So, hindi naman sa pero of course, if my schedule is free, thank you! May nag-give sa akin ng hat. Thank you. So, natuwa ako nung sa sinabi ni John Rep Christopher, nakauwi ka na Pinas, malapit na magkaganap ulit namin. So, yeah, as much as possible, pag free yung schedule ko, I travel. I love traveling. So, pero of course, pag may ganap, umuwi tayo. So, yes. Pearl of the Orient po tayo. Yes, Pearl of the Orient. So, thank you for correcting that. So, National Heroes. Yeah, sorry, 25 National Heroes Day. August po yun. August pa yung Ninoy Aquino. Ay, sorry, September first week daw, diba? May jet lag. Tanga. Huwag ka na magsalita. So, actually, yung department ko, there are different departments kasi sa HR. So, nasa recruitment ako. Okay? So, okay. Wow. Inom-K kayo. So, yung usually that, of course, handles the holidays, announces it, since related siya sa salary. Compensation and Benefits Department siya. So, hindi ko siya department. Joke lang. Hindi, wala nang pakialam. Pero may paki tayo. Siyempre, doon tayo gumagala. Yes. At Good evening, ma'am. Hi, Kuya Art. Hello po. Join my fan club. So, Taray Rudolph. Dead nose ba ako? Uy, na-conscious. Hi, Kuray. Uy, I'm a fan of your works. Natutuwa talaga kami every time na gumagawa ka and tinatag mo kami. Uy! Hi, Eddie Meow. Yes, it's dinner time, pero hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner kasi nga, medyo kakagising ko pa lang. So, okay lang yan. Sa YT, ano ba sa YT? Who gets it lang? Christmas song cover when? Sige nga, magpapapol nga ako. Anong gusto niyong Christmas? Paano ba magpapol? Christmas song cover ko. But of course, gusto ko yung kasama yung girls. Wait, magtawag tayo sa ex. Uy! Thank you naman, Kuya Art! Pasko song cover performance. Yes. May balita ka sa inyo. So, before, I think I shared sa Instagram na meron akong mini studio setup sa kwarto ko. So, dinala ko yun sa Korea actually. Nung nag-stay ako. Pero, wala talaga akong time. Na-busy ako dun kasi unlike my current work right now, yung naging engagement ko dun before, I need to go to office. So, gabi na ako umuwi kasi it's a teaching job. So, ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-covers and yun nga, pag dumating na ako, gabi na. So, hindi na pwede mag-ingay. So, yung mga walls dun sa Korea, apparently, of course, I'm not generalizing, I'm not sure about their development standards. But as an interior designer student, parang na-realize ko na hindi siya soundproof. So, nahihiya ako mag-cover. So, hindi ako nakapag-cover. So, anyway, dami ko ng side track stories. Dinala ko na siya today. So, my equipment are with me na. So, makakapag-recording na tayo, guys, very soon. So, yeah, magpapapol ako ng Christmas song. Hindi naman kasi natin pwedeng, kantahin lahat. So, Underground Mall, yung sa may subway, yes. So, actually, almost all naman ng subways in Korea, merong Underground Mall. But I went to the biggest one. So, trivia yun. I went to the biggest one and it's not popular. So, before, they were popular. May Guinness Book of World Records sila for being the biggest subway mall in the world. Uy, thank you, Eddie Meow. Grabe naman talaga. Club cheers for me. Sino po ba is sa former members ng MNL48? Marami. Oshi kasi yung tawag namin. So, to give you an idea for those na not so familiar about MNL48, no? So, the bias term, so in other girl group culture, ang tawag po sa amin is Oshi. And then, yung second bias is Nishi. Pero, usually walang ganun. Ano lang yun? Consider. So, Oshi, we encourage all MN loves and of course 48G fans to support their Oshis, their number one, or yun nga, sa other terms, bias. So, yung bias ko sa former members or yung Oshi ko, hindi pa rin ako nakakapili ng gawin. But, talaga, ever since si Shek. Pero, nung mas nakilala ko na sila as an MNL48 member, parang sabi ko, grabe, kaya pala sila naging member ng MNL48 because they each have something. So, yeah, galing. Masaya na araw ko kasi nakita kita. Uy! thank you. Matcha empanada. Wala bang gumagawa nun? Search ko nga sa Grab Food. Kung merong matcha empanada, pero good idea. Hello, madam. Hello, Levin. So, show or she po. Mosh Blade. Hello! Tagal na kitang, I don't know kung nandun ka sa last live, pero welcome! And Justin Valdez. Hi, Yana! Need ka namin sa interactive live. Yes, very soon. Sa 20th po yung tentative, but it could be soon. Or late. Huwag mo, sorry, ang abangan namin. Okay, uy, naglalag ba ako? Uy, sorry. Naglalag pala ako kanina. O yan. Ang dami na. Ang dami ko na. 76. Oh my God! Grabe yung backlogs! Yeah, Mosh Blade. You feel me? Sobrang hirap no, ng Korean. September 14 schedule mo sa iLive. Sorry, it's September 20. Yan. Uy, grabe naman si Mosh Blade. May pa-exam. Share skincare, haha. Hindi nga masyadong okay yung skin ko ngayon, guys, kasi nga galing tayo sa aeroplano. So, talagang medyo nagre-react yung skin ko kasi meron akong dermatitis, atopic dermatitis. So, para siyang eczema. So, nagda-dry yung skin ko sa mga allergens easily or food I eat, certain food that I eat. So, kaya ako may mga iniiwasan na food. So, ngayon, hindi siya okay. Pero yung skincare ko, actually, Adapalene. Do you know that, guys? So, ang daming skincare, diba? Wait, thank you, Vince. _147 for the heart. So, yun, going back to the skincare. Ano kasi ako, acne prone. Wow, excited. Pero I'm really into skincare, by the way, and cosmetics, but I don't put so much makeup. Na-appreciate ko lang sila. Ganon. So, hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit. Pero yung skincare, yun nga, dahil, of course, aging na tayo. Aging. So, it's very important. And of course, so always stress. So, I put some time to unwind, to have me time, and I do that through skincare. So, I use Adapalene. So, Adapalene is like vitamin A. So, ano siya? A type of retinol. So, there are different families of retinol and retinal and whatsoever. So, I use Adapalene. So, it's more for acne prone. But, it functions as retinol then. So, it kinda, fixes, signs of aging. And, mask lagi. So, hindi nga ako nakapag-mask nung sa Korea, like, full time. Hindi. Kasi sobrang busy. But, it's okay. Pinapasaya niyo naman ako. That's #1 skincare, guys. Happiness and avoidance of stress. Management pala, okay? Dahil hindi naman yun ma-avoid pala. Ang dami nga, guys. Sorry, ang dami kong backread. Sorry na. So, may mga isi-skip na nga ako. Matuto na nga tayo. Yana, musta na? Joan Gamboa. Kakilala ba kita? Joke lang. I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Remember me from Mega? Anong Mega? Ito. Uy, naalala kita! From Don Bosco. Yes, so guys, naglalakad ako sa Mega Mall. So actually, papunta ako sa training nun. May lumapit sa akin. Hindi pa ako nakaayos nun eh. Tapos dami ko pang bitbit kasi nga training. Yana? MNL 48, Yana? Ganun siya. Sabi ko, kilala ko nito. Wow, feeling artista. Ganun. Na-feel ko, kilala niya ako, guys. So, ayun, sabi niya, uy, totoo ka pala. Sabi ko, yes, totoo ako. Ganun. So, siya yung first person na nakakilala sa akin. Sa public, of course. Pero, kasi pag nasa public ako, lagi ako nakakap. Ganyan. Kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa cup. So, yun, nakilala niya pa rin ako kahit nakakap ako. So, yun. Hello! Hello, Johan. Christmas in our hearts. Pangarap ko yun actually. Trivia nung bata ako. Siguro, ano yun eh, prep. So, 6 years old ako. Doon ko unang nakanta yung Christmas in Our Hearts. Kasi meron kaming Christmas show sa so, very memorable yun sa akin. Ay, thank you ulit! Vince_147. So, ayun. Natuwa ako nun. So, hindi ko very special yung song sa akin. Vince_147. So, yes, pangarap kong makaduet si Jose Marichan. Father. Kung my mother, my father. #love, Emmett. #love. Tcharer! Uy! Ano ba yun? Ang galaw-gaw ko. Ayan na tuloy. Namatay na yung ano ko. Yung tawag dito. Yung flashlight. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung phone ko. Bili ako National Geographic. I love National Geographic. Before, pag may mga contest, thank you, Eddie Miang! You're awesome too! So, dati, pag may mga activities para sa mga viewers ng National Geographic, sumasali ako like yung ask questions. Ask the best questions yun sa mga bata. Yan, sumasali ako. So, nakita ko lang sa Korea, binili ko. So, ano siya? Yun o. Pwede ka maglagay ng card. Tapos, meron pa siyang yan, mini mirror. So, pag, fit check. Okay, I'm still good. Ganon. So, ayun lang. Sana ngayong Pasko ay paalala mo pa rin ako. Nahanap pag-ibig mo. Ayan 11 na. Pinagbigyan kita. Holy night. Ang taas. Holy night. The stars so brightly shining. It is the night of the Jesus birth. Charis. Actually, alam nyo, yung Holy Night, kinakanta yan sa simbahan. Right? Kinanta ko yan sa simbahan eh. Like, I'm part of choir for a long time. So, sa school, kasi I came from a Catholic school. So, every month, meron kaming misa. So, nagpa-practice pa kami ng songs. Especially Christmas. So, may Christmas, parang kami, mass. So, ako yung kumakanta nun, yung bata ako, ng Holy Night. Birit na birit tayo. So, may time na sinabihan ako nung choir namin na. Kasi syempre may mga kinukuha na singer sa intermission number. So, sabi niya, mag-intermission ka na lang. Kasi binibirit ko talaga yung Holy Night. So, like, Mariah Carey style. Pero nasa simbahan kasi. So, yan lang. Hi, Vincent! Thank you so much for being my moderator always and for always being my first viewer. Hi! Thank you! I love you! I shifted it! Mahal kita! Baba. Sarange! Te amo! Charis. Vince_147 sent sisig. Uy, sarap na sisig! Oo nga, no? Ay, naalala ko na guys, yung favorite ko na Korean food na sinabi ko sa inyo, na para siyang sisig. Otolpyo. Otolpyo. Diba? Ang hirap. Di ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko. Otolpyo. Kasi, ang otol daw po ay para siyang yung sound ng pag nguya mo, pag ngumunguya ka ng matigas or yung cartilage, kasi cartilage siya. Cartilage ng pabo, yung otolpyo. Tapos lalagyan siya ng parang medyo gochujang na sauce. Tapos lalagyan ng mayonnaise. Tapos parang nasa grill din siya. Grilling pan. So, ang sarap. Para siyang sisig. So, naalala ko lang dahil niregaluhan tayo ni Vince_147. Hala na fall. Ayun. Pa-on ng poll comment sa live yan sa next live. Ay, sige. Sorry po. Yun. So, sino nga ba? Ay, nag-uusap sila. Sige, kayo na. Joke lang. Ayun, wait lang. MNL48 yan na Korea travel stories. Ano ba? Well, as a foreign sa Korea, I don't know, pero natutuwa ako pag may mga ajuma and ajushi. Ajuma is like mga older titas natin. Yung mga ajushi, yung mga older titos naman. So, yun, tawag nila dun, ajuma and ajushi. So, pag may mga nakakita ng mga foreign, hindi lang naman Filipino, no? Ibang foreign nationals, ganun sila. Dun talaga sila tumingin. So, lagi yan. So, ayun, nakaka-awkward. Like, I think it's for the heart. So, ayun, dati na-awkward pa ako pag tinitingnan ako ng mga ajuma and ajushi. Pero ngayon, parang gusto ko na lang mag-post. Pag tinititigan nila ako, hi! Gagana lang. So, yun, if ever mag-travel kayo anytime soon, that's something na, you'll get to experience. But, they don't mean anything. For some of them, syempre, first time nila siguro. Thank you, Edimia! For the gifts. So, for some of them, yun nga, first time pa lang nila siguro makakita ng foreigner. So, same with Japan. Sa pag pumunta kayo lalo na sa mga countryside, ayan, lagi silang nagugulat pag may mga foreigner. So, yun lang. Lag na siya. Lag na ba ako? Lag ba ako ngayon? Hello? Sino Oshi mo pagdating sa dancing? Of course, si Rihanna. Grabe, ang galing. Actually, tinuturuan niya ako. Kasi guys, I'll be honest, when it comes to dancing, I think I have my own thing about dancing. So, there are some steps na ang bilis kong makuha. Depende. Pero, there are some, of course, there are times na I'm missing the training, so I have to keep up. So, siya talaga yung tumutulong sa akin. Pati si Lion and 4th Gen, si Ira, ganyan. So, pero si Rihanna, siya talaga yung Oshi ko pagdating sa dancing. Ang galing. May sarili siyang style that makes her really bring out the idol in her. Like, not just plainly dancing and following the steps. So, like, in-own niya talaga. Pak! Yun, favorite ko yung pag sinasayaw niya. Anyway. Sana makita na kita mag-perform. Hey, uy, hello! MNL48 Tony Fowler. Uy, nakikita ko yung mga sinasend sa akin na tweets ni MNL48 Tony Fowler. Nakakatawa. So, ang dami. Ayoko na nga. Ko na. Pa-help ako na itag na lang. Ayoko na. Nahihinapan ako. Ganito pala. Pag madaldal din yung mga viewers. Kasi before, parang onti pa lang yung viewers. Of course. And, it was easy for me to read everyone's comments. Ngayon, hindi na. We have to improve na, guys. We have to change siya. Current go-to songs. Of course, Oh My Pumpkin. Yung tipong, hindi ko na namamalayan na kinakanta ko siya. But if you say go-to song to sing, Halo. Pag may nagsabi sa akin, ay, karaoke ka. Ganyan. Ayan. Halo lagi ko kinakanta. Those walls are good, but baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put a fight. They didn't even make a sound. Oy, naabot natin yung baritone. Baritone, lalaki ka, girl. Yung bass, okay. So, hi Adrian Custodio. Mall show na ba this month? Secret. So, very soon actually. So, yeah. I'm very excited din. But wala pa kasing final. So, yeah. Signs of aging. Most prop part of branding. You look so young. Oy, thank you! Ano ba yan? Dami na. Oy, thank you sa mga gifts. Vince147. Eddie Meow. Hazel! Hi! Not Gio girl ka pala. Yes po. Mahilig ako sa mga nung bata ako, trivia ko guys. Something about me. I read encyclopedias. Yun yung mga binabasa ko. Hindi ako palalaro na bata. Nagbabasa talaga ako ng English books. So, that made me learn English. So, hindi naman talaga ako nagsasalita ng English before. Pero mahilig akong magbasa ng English books and trivia books. So, lagi akong sumasali sa mga quiz bee. Medyo nerd ako nung bata ako. Thank you so much for the suggestion mo, Played. 5 minutes muna tayo. Hindi, so go lang. Thank you for the comment and for the concern. Pero sige, 36 na lang. Kinareer ang choir song. Yes. Thank you for understanding my tita moments. Ayun na, 3 na lang. Ay, natapos na. Ay, wow, rich kid, my encyclopedia. Hindi, actually, nakikibasa lang ako dun sa lola ko. So, ayun. Oh, wala nang backlogs. Bakit ba? Thank you! Naapol ko na. Congratulations! Ikaw lang po ba nag-harmonize sa 365? No. Nung ni-record namin yun, I'm gonna tell you guys, sobrang sabog ko kasi kakauwi ko lang rin nun galing ibang bansa. So, yeah, and paus ako that time. So, hindi ako masyadong nakakanta, by the way. It's not an excuse, but still, pinush pa rin natin. And ang happy ko makita yung whole video. Hindi pa kasi namin yung nakita eh. So, nagulat din kami nung ni-release. Yan. In sync na tayo. Yes! Wala na ako sa pass. Congrats sa mini achievement natin, indeed. Yeah. So, maraming marunong sa aming mag-harmonize, of course. Almost everyone. Yes. So, did you apply audition to MNL48 or just appointed as a special member? Or I want to pin this comment. Yeah. So, maraming curious about this, about me being a special member. So, I wasn't that confident in talking about it before kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede pa. Pero, yeah, I auditioned as an MNL48 member. Like, kung ano yung process ng other members, I went through it from application form, typing, filling out the, form. I went through that and dun ko sinabi na I'm not within the requirements. So, but allow me to audition. And surprisingly, hindi na ako umasay kasi nagsabi sila ng date na parang, okay, on this day, isasend namin yung mga invites sa mga nakapasa. So, a day went by. Sabi ko, ay, hindi na ako nakapasa. Okay lang, ganyan. Kasi, of course, I did my best. Actually, last day na trivia. Fun fact about it. Last day na ako nag-audition. Yung deadline na. So, hindi ko nga alam kung nabasa pa nila application ko. So, I was in Singapore back then. Like, parang doon na ako. Medyo, napanghihinaan ako ng loob sa Singapore. And I was thinking, should I go back to the Philippines? And what will I do if I go back to the Philippines? It's, kasi wala akong ibang magawa dun sa Singapore. Of course, I cannot do my other stuff. Kasi before, when I was in the Philippines, I do theater. So, meron akong outlet ba ng talent ko as a singer and as an actress. But when I went to Singapore, yun, na medyo nakakalungkot. That's why, sabi ko, if I'm going back to the Philippines, I want to do something that could, bring out, my passion. So, ayun, I tried searching, surprisingly. Kasi ano yun eh, parang wala akong magawa, nanonood lang ako ng animes and also J-drama. So, nanood ako ng alam niyo yung Ama-chan? Ama-chan. Drama na about sa diver. Ano yun? Yung uni diver. So, diver sila, tapos nangunguha sila ng uni. Na teenager, tapos pumunta siya doon sa area kung nasaan may mga uni divers. Yun. Tawag sa kanila, Ama diver? I can't remember. So, or Ama is diver, ganyan. So, yun, yung lola niya, inintroduce siya doon sa sa ganung gawain. So, tinry niya. And then, she met someone na gustong maging idol. So, actually, she became an idol herself. Yung nag-introduce sa kanya to become an idol, na gusto talaga maging idol, hindi siya naging idol. So, wala lang, na-inspire ako dun sa idol thing going on. So, sabi ko, mag-search niya ako ng open idol groups. And of course, I remember MNL48. Alam ko na mayroong MNL48 before. So, surprisingly, last day na ng dami kong story, but it's really funny how I got in. And yun nga, my motto in life is luck is actually preparation meeting opportunity. So I think I prepared myself long time for this without expecting. So when the opportunity came, I was able to be given a chance. So I'm so happy. So yun nga, nag-audition ako, and they just talked to me na you're gonna be a special member. Because of course, we have our standards, we have our requirements, and since you're not within that, and particularly that's because of the age, yeah, so they allowed me, and I'm so thankful. So yes, ayun po. Dami sinabi, but I hope that you enjoyed my story. So yun lang, summary, ang daming nangyari along that way, kasi it was dami kong nararanasan that time, and MNL48 saved me, gave me a chance to, hold on to my original dream. Wow! Yun lang. Wait lang, mamili ulit tayo. By the way, can you type in the sisig like sa Korea? Sige. Or I'm gonna share the picture. Otolpyo. Yan. Talagang push lang sa vocal training. Yes, of course. We have to keep on going. Keep on improving. Yung J-drama. Ay na pala. Sa TV5 yan pinalabas. Yes. And it's so funny kasi that time, si Kurosawa, si Sir Kurosawa-san, yung nasa audition, nung in-invite na kami sa face-to-face audition. And then, I told them the story about it. And then, sabi niya, I'm the producer here in the Philippines for that drama. So, sabi ko, wow, it's a small world. Kasi yung kinanta ko rin actually sa audition, yung Shiosai no Memory. Yung Shiosai no Memory, yun yung OST ng Ama-chan drama. So, yung Kite yo sono ki wo tobikoete Tsuna ni kaite I miss you Kita e kaeru no Nakalimutan ko na. Tekiatsu ni noote Kita e mo kawa. Yes, yun yung nasa Band Lab. Favorite ko kasi yun. Ang ganda. Your stories are interesting. Sorry. Thank you so much. Yun. I'm Thai and Mayana is Oshi. Oy, thank you, JP. Luck is an opportunity you take. Exactly. That's true. So don't take your opportunities for granted. Wow. So dahil sa age, kaya ka naging special member. So lucky na nakapasa ka na audition mo sa MNL48. Yeah. So, of course, I think my advocacy as an MNL48 special member is to, inspire people to don't give up on their dreams and always prepare for something that is gonna come soon, even if you don't know yet. So, yun talaga yung gusto kong i-advocate na no matter what, don't give up on your dreams if you want it. Yun lang. All clear. Thanks, Yana, for the short story about you becoming. Yes, move on na tayo. Daldal ko na naman eh. Okay, cool. Kala ko may solo part ka sa 365 tulad nila Line at Era. Actually, merong version. Ilang beses na-cut kasi nga cause ako that time. May sakit ako that time. Sorry. Pinakinggan ko palagi. No, thank you! So, actually may band lab ako pero hindi ko na siya na-update ngayon kasi nga hindi na ako nakapag-recording. Pero very soon, I'll be adding more videos and also sa YouTube. So, there. And, Ayun. Tapos ko na naman. Ganyan talaga pag Tita Line. Madami na. Sorry, oo nga. Ang hirap kaya. Ikaw lang nagsasalita mo. Nagreklamo. Anong name mo sa band lab? I think MNL48 Yana din, yes. Oy, happy 50k likes! Hi, Froppy! Wow, may mga dumadagdag pa. Thank you so much for 39 na nag-stay sa live. Okay. Ayan, check ko nga yung mga binigay nyo sa akin na weekend yung weekend playlist nyo. Yan. Ang powerful pag si Yana nag-deliver. Uy, thank you po! Eddie Meow, thank you! You're awesome! You're awesome too! Tuwing umuulan, ang sagot ni Kuya Levin. So, Nivle.29. Sorry, napag-mimix ko na. So, tuwing umuulan, like kay Regine Velasquez. So, Oh My Pumpkin, of course! Instrumental lang, galing kay Cry_MNL48. MNL_animation. So, yes, ako din, nahilig din akong makinig ng instrumental. Of course, the famous lo-fi girl. And mahilig akong makinig kay Nujabes. So, merong mga instrumental lang si Nujabes. You know him. So, isang reflection naman po dyan. Anong reflection yung song? Instrumental po pag hirap makatulog. True. Ang hilig ko talaga sa mga vocals. Yan. Anong reflection, friends, to? Like yung song? Who is that girl I see? Yun. Sumawag pa. Staring straight back at me. When will my reflection someone I don't know? Yan. Favorite ko yun nung bata ako. Napag-aalataan yung age na. After Sheki, Oshi na po kita. Thank you, Eddie Miang. Natataka ako bakit nawala yung OMB at 365 sa Instagram. Bakit kaya? I'm not sure. So, actually, admin ng MNL48 ang bahala. Nag-a-arrange for those, matters. So, yes. May admin tayo. So, yeah, of course, there are reasons for sure. Favorite theatrical song mo yan? On My Own. Yun yung first theater song na kinanta ko. And kinanta ko siya in a competition sa Makati. So, Makati Idol. Naalala ko yun. So, kinanta ko siya. So, pag sumasali ako sa singing contest, actually, hindi ako nananalo. Kasi yung mga kinakanta ko, theater songs, yung bata ako. So, of course, yung mga parents ko, pinipilit ako for the sake of winning na mag-aral ka ng mga matataas na songs, ganyan. But I don't feel them Nafe-feel ko yung bata ako, theater songs. So, on my own, feel ko yung kantahin. So, nung kinanta ko siya sa parang different concept competition, yung hindi typical singing contest, nanalo ako, guys, for the first time. So, yun lang, parang, I just want to share. And magyabang. Yun, so sumasali ako, contestera ako dati, guys. So, yun, kinanta ko lang yun. Now I'm all alone again, nowhere to turn, no one to go to. Without a home, without a friend, without a face to say hello to. And now the night is near, now I can make believe he is here. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I'll walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I look up my way, close my eyes, and he has found me. Chares, yan. Favorite ko siya. So, thank you. Ganda ng diction mo kapag kumanta. Thanks. Pwede po pa-request, can you please sing Time After Time? Ayun ba yung kinover ng MNL48 before? Pinanood ko din yun. Thank you, Grim and Eddie Meow. So, yung you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. Yay! May fan chant ka para sa sarili mo tulad ng kay MNL48 Gem. Pika, 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 Gem. Ang cute nga, nanonood ako noon dati kay Ate Gem. So, nanonood ako ng live niya. Pika, pika, gano'n. Cute. Pero ako, yun lang, yung ko, wala akong fan chant. Bigyan niyo nga ako suggestion. Mag-iisip din ako, of course. So, pero bigyan niyo ako ng suggestion. Anong bagay sa akin? Di ba nag-theater ka? Ilang theater acts na nagawa mo? So, of course, I started with school theater. So, meron kaming mga classical adaptation. So, pero favorite ko yung mga Filipino. Like El Filibusterismo, like that, yung No Limitangere, nung nag-school ako. Tapos there was a time na meron pang excerpt, I think. I can't really remember. Sobrang tagal na nun. So, I joined din a drama. Parang drama challenge sa school. It's Pingkaw. So, para siyang you would copy a character. So, ayun. Dun ko first, I think, na-realize that I may have a potential to be a lead theater. Kasi before, sumasali ako, syempre, mga bata pa ako, lagi lang angel, yung mga support, ganyan. Pero, na din kami, nag-production ng Annie, ganyan. So, pero actually, hindi ako masyadong napipili. Kasi, as a theater kid, aminin na natin, kailangan natin ng pera. Kasi, of course, attend ka ng mga training, ng rehearsals, tapos may costumes, ganyan. So, nung nasa school ako, hindi kami mayaman, wala kaming ganun money. So, umiiyak ako actually that time kasi gusto ko talagang sumali pero wala kaming budget. So, sasabihin ng mom ko na, okay na yan, ganyan ka lang. But of course, sinusuportahan ako ng parents ko to the best that they can. Pero yun nga, yung hindi natin afford maging lead na ang daming ginagawa. So, pero nung nag-high school na, yun, mas more, na siya, production focused na hindi na kailangan ng masyadong budget. So, dun na ako nag-lead usually. Pero, hindi kasi ako nag-focus masyado kasi nga, I'm focusing on my studies that time. So, nag-audition ako before sa, makikita nyo yun, feeling ko sa YouTube, kung magaling kayo mag-search, makikita nyo yun, challenge ko. Wow! Nag-audition ako sa Miss Saigon. So, na-feature actually ako sa Jessica Soho. KM, ano kapuso mo, Jessica? KMJS. Tama ba? Yeah. So, yun, na-feature ako before kasi I was the youngest auditionee for the Miss Saigon. Yun yung kinanta ko pa yung I'd Give My Life For You. Ay, thank you, heart signal. Yeah. So, mahirap kasi hindi nakalagay yung name ko dun eh. So, you who have cradled in my arms, you. Ayun, yung kinanta ko sa sa TikTok ko. TikTok post. Thank you, Banbodobo. Ang cute. Banbodobo. Anong kakainin mo later? Gising ka na naman ng madaling araw. Yeah. Ay, gumawa ng mom ko, yung gumawa ng Graham cake yung mom ko. Picturean ko sa inyo sa Wala pa kasi akong minimum followers pa ako sana mag-open ng channel kasi gusto ko doon ako nag-a-update. So, yung ibang MNL48 member, meron silang mga channel. So, nag-join din ako kasi curious ako, of course. Doon sila nag-update. Gusto ko rin noon para ma-update ko kayo lagi. So, yeah. Pero going back to the question, favorite theatrical song ko is On My Own. So, yes. HR, yes, Leshiel. Nag-submit ka na ba ng request, Charis? Yan naman nung ka po ba mag-gitara? Hindi ko, sorry. I tried to learn piano or keyboard before, but I forgot. But of course, I know the keys. Hindi lang maganda yung hand coordination ko dahil I have some issues, I think, with my hand. Kahit yung normal na bote, hindi ko siya masyadong mabuksan. So, hindi malakas yung hand ko. Nanginginig siya. So, something about me. Yeah, kaya hindi ako natuto masyadong mag-instrument kasi mahina yung kamay. So, yeah. I'm just using my voice as an instrument. Yes, voice is an instrument. Charis. Sige, gawan ka namin. Ay, thank you! Ito na. Ayan na. Ay, cute yun. Paano? Kakantayin, heto na. Naging kami kasi. Ay, sige. Tatandaan ko yan. Kamukha mo kakilala ko. Sino? Lagi actually kahit sa jeep, pag sumakay ako, kamukha ka. Talaga po? Hello po, Ate Yana. Hello, those underscore. Hello. Hanapin nyo, guys. Hanapin namin yan. Hindi naman ako yung main na na-feature. Kasama lang ako doon sa mga na-interview. Ganun. Pero actually, tinawagan nila ako. Hello, Jail! Nandito na naman yung ka-workmate ko. Nagregalo na daw. Check nyo, guys, si Jail Vergara. So, since we're in the recruitment department, marami kaming hiring. So, hindi naman ako yung nag-interview, don't worry. So, wala naman tayong nalalabag as a member. So, yung mga members ko, yung mag-i-interview sa inyo, and malay nyo, ako ang mag-onboard sa inyo. Yun yung ako nag-on-board. So, if mag-apply kayo sa akin and matanggap kayo, i-onboard ko kayo. So, yun. Yes. Pag may theater song, MNL48 na Oshibe to Meshibe, ano gusto mo makatuwid with Kissing Sin? Huy! Uy! Ano naman yun? Very controversial. Sige, ipapark natin yung question na yan. Pero yung gulat ako, Kissing Scene agad. Hindi pa po ako pwede sa mature roles. Pabebe. Anong price pag nahanap namin? Anong price? Bakit may price? Sige, cover ng isa pang cover ng Miss Saigon. Kasi nag-cover na ako before ng I'd Give My Life For You eh. Give My Life For You eh. Channel, bawal pa eh sa Instagram. So, 10K, ang dami. So, long way to go. Kaya kailangan mag-post ako. Sorry na guys. Mag-post na tayo. Yes. Hi, Yana. Did you saw my Banday figure sa inyo? Oh, kakakita ko lang ngayon. Sorry. I-repost ko nga siya. Ang cute, oh. HR natin yan. Pwede po ba next live mo ay resume check? Ano yun? Wait lang. Resume check. Yan, tumawa na si Giles. Ipapadala mo ba kami sa Korea if ever? Oh, gagawin kayong kimchi. Joke lang. Ano ba? Yan na. Hello. Yan. Wait lang. Price. Oo nga, no. Hindi ko napansin. Price pala dapat. Ang cute. May stamp ng heart. Super fan ka siguro ni Miss Lea. Yes, super fan ako. Grabe talaga nung bata ako. Meron pang join my fan club first. So, meron pa akong actually hindi yun sa akin. Sa lola ko yun. Kinukuha ko talaga siya. Yung CD ni Lea Salonga. May parang special edition siya ng CD na merong pirma ni Lea Salonga. Hinihiram ko yun, tapos papatugtugin ko sa cassette player ko. Thank you again, Vincent. So, ganun ko. Tapos kinakanta ko yun mag-isa. Siyempre, I have my alone time. Naiiyak ako pag may tao. So, kinakanta ko siya. Ganun ko siya ka-idol. Yana, next center girl. Uy! Huwag kayong mag-manifest. Ah! Thank you naman. So, gamit mo gadget. Actually, sa kapatid ko to. So, hiniram ko. Kasi nga, na-log out ako. So, hindi ko pa siya ma-retrieve doon. For some reasons, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, ginagamit ko ay, ano ba to? Xiaomi ata or Huawei na tablet. So, hinintay ko yung next release ng iPhone para bumili ako ng iPhone 16. Siyempre, hindi latest yung bibili natin kasi mahal yung latest eh. Sana magmura yung mga old phone. Ganun ako. So, hindi ako bumibili ng latest. So, yung iPhone ko, iPhone 12 mini. Kasi ayos pa, pero ngayon nga, gumigive up na. So, ayun. Kailangan ko na bumili. MNL48 Leana Salonga. Charis! Kinikilig naman ako. Naka-work na namin si Lea Salonga before 2M asking for... Uy, talaga! Grabe, no? Grabe. The prestige. Deserve naman, I think. Wow. Pero wala akong pera para, bayaran siya. Siyempre, siguro sa concert, ganyan. Sarili mo na believe cellphone. Of course. Yes. So, I'm a working girl na. Kaya, kahit naman yung mga MNL48 members, natutuwa ako sa 4th generation. Inside joke namin yan. So, about iPhone. Kasi, of course, before, students pa sila. So, when they started earning, bumili na sila ng iPhone. So, wala lang. Lagi ko yung, kahit sa mga brothers and sisters ko, lagi kong nare-remind na how about buy your own phone? Kasi it's really an achievement. Nakaka-fulfill to buy your own phone. So, sa mga studying pa natin, na mga viewers right now, kung binibilan pa kayo ng parents nyo ng phone, safe, of course, appreciate it, take care of your gadget, but by the time na graduate na kayo and magkaroon na kayo ng new income, yes, buy your own phone, tapos alagaan. Kasi, yun parang, wala lang, for me, very memorable. Pero yung una ko kasing phone, yung ginawa ko, nanakaw. So, Hindi ko na-keep. But keep it, guys. Fully paid na, but of course. Wow. Joke lang. Pero, something about me, I'm not comfortable in borrowing money. Sobrang pag kailangan ko lang siguro doon ako. Pero I don't use. Maybe in the future, pero hindi kasi ako masyadong magastos na tao. Like, of course, I splurge from time to time whenever I'm traveling, pero I don't use credit card actually. Kasi kinumpute ko, parang hindi worth it yung yung interest talaga, and then yung bank fees. I don't like it. So, lagi ako fully paid. Uy, pero yun, na tawag dito na clear ko. Ikaw ba yung naiyak sa audition ng Miss Ego? Hindi, tuwang-tuwa nga ako dun eh. Hindi ako umiyak. Late na pala ako. Hi, Adi. Yes, live pa rin tayo. Hello, Johnny. Johnny Lee Forkpool. Yes, welcome to my live. Yan, wala na. Na-clear ko na, guys. So, go back na tayo dun sa, chine-check ko ng mga kanta. 90s classics. Yun ba? Anong 90s classic? Hindi ko alam yung pinapatugtog dun sa radyo, yung Sunday's Best. Ganyan. Nung bata ako, may mga Sunday's Best. First time watching you, and I think I found my new Oshi after Captain Ali's departure. Uy, thank you! Wow, to be considered is already an honor. Kinikilig talaga ako pag may nagsabi sa akin na, uy, Oshi kita. Ano pa? Hindi naman siguro. Tapos mamaya may iba ka palang Oshi. Selosa. Anyway. Sunday Golden Best. Thank you again, Ban Bonobo. May bago na naman akong Oshi. Uy, thank you. Selosa. Joke lang. Ito naman. Okay lang yan. Basta, pag nagkita-kita tayo, of course, which may happen very soon, I hope na I'll be able to identify you guys. Yun yung goal ko. Actually, whenever I'm doing live, 32 lang naman, or maximum ng viewers ko, 75. Noon pa ako nag-worry ako, maaalala ko kaya sila. So, just tell me, whenever you're gonna see me, like, ako si ganyan, Moshe Blade, ako si Kuya Art, ako si ganyan. I'm gonna remember you guys. So, ay, grabe naman si Vincent. Grabe, may bago kayo, Oshi. Ako si Yana lang. Wag ganun, guys. O, di ikaw na. Sana nandun ako, Charot. Oo nga, pumunta kayo, guys. Mga Alanis, of course. Yung, say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too, and I would run away. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away. Nadala na ako. Ganda nun. 'Cause I'm falling in love. Oh, with you, no. O, yan na to, present. Hello, small dog. Strict HR ko, mahirap mag-leave. Ako din naman, pag biglaan nag-leave. Ayan, hindi ko pinapayagan. Sungit. Thank you, Everyday. Thank you, Emmanuel. Parang alam ko, 2012 ba yun, nung nag-audition ka? Hinata Yuga 48. Yes, it was 2012. I can remember. 2012 ba? Ata. Yeah. So, OMG, tugtugan ko to. Uy, thank you! Kinakanta ko yun usually pag may kinakasal na mga kamag-anak. Yan. Ask lang Yana, ano fave flowers mo at ano meaning nun? I don't like flowers, actually. So, of course, pag may nagbigay sa kanang flowers, na-appreciate ko. And gusto ko sa kanila manggagaling yung meaning. Kasi sila yung nagbigay eh. Right? So, dapat, wow, nag-record. Dapat, na parang I would appreciate it if you would give me something na, of course, comes from your heart, from you, and why did you give it to me. But, I'm not really a fan of flowers kasi naawa ako sa kanila. Yung tipong yung pag may Valentine's binibigay or event, ganyan. Parang, I would appreciate something na makikip ko for a long time. Pero yung flowers kasi, of course, you need to do effort and for some time mo lang siya makikip. Mamamatay na din siya. Malalanta pala. So, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Gusto ko yung nakikip ko kasi. Yun lang. 100 days na lang. Pasko na! Merry Christmas! Tingnan nyo. Cute-cute, diba? So, ayan na. Feel ko na yung Christmas. Pero hindi yung weather. Hindi pa. Ang init. Yun. Yan, fan interactions and audition stories. Yeah, actually, gusto kong mag-cover. Mag-release ng covers ng mga in-audition ko na songs. So, yeah, number 1 is Seryosa No Memory. Kasi nasa phone ko na yun. Dahil last day na ng audition day ko nakita yung MNL48 audition application form. Naghanap na lang ako ng naka-store sa phone ko na video. So, luckily, nag-record ako ng Seryosa No Memory. For some reasons, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko yun ni-record. Pero yun nga, nung nag-audition ako, in-upload ko na yun. So, that's number 1. Number 2 na audition song ko, Stay With Me. Mayonaka no Duo. Yung kay, yung Stay with me, mayonaka no duo tataki, kaeranai de tonaita, ano kisatsu ga ima me no mae, stay with me, kichi ga sai na, kichi ga sai na. Ayun. Nakita ko na yan na yung KMJ. Yeah, so actually, tinawagan nila ako, in-invite nila ako. Kinausap nila yung parents ko that time kasi nga minor pa ako noon. Sabi nila, pwede ba namin siyang i-feature kasi siya yung pinakabata. So, hindi ako pumayag. Ayoko. Kasi sabi nila, papakita yung situation namin as a family. So, actually, I'm not super fan of, providing information about my family for a short, feature lang. So, that time, even at an early age, very mysterious na ako. Very private na ako. So, hindi ako pumayag. Kaya, may iba silang in-interview. So, pero, nandun pa rin ako sa video na in-interview nila. So, may napanood ako sa 24 oras. 24 oras. Kamukha mo yung na-interview doon. That was 12 years ago. Baka nga ako. Baka. I think ikaw na Oshi ko after umalis si Abby sa group. Uy, grabe naman yung mga ka-level. Abby, Alice, grabe. Hindi po ako ganun. Di ba? Kailangan kong lumevel para maging deserving to be your Oshi. Pero thank you. Restaging Miss Saigon Audition 2012. Yeah, I think that was it. Kasabayan niya pala sina Francesca Farr at Rachel Ango. Yeah. So, hindi na ako umasa nun, but I really love na. Kasi may registration, I think. So, nag-register ako. Nabigyan naman ako ng number. So, natuwa ako kasi mga kasama ko. Si Karil. Kasama ko nun si Karil, nandun siya. Sabi ko, uy, grabe. Parang experience yun. Pero hindi na ako umasa. Of course. What if nasa paso naman parang yes, of course, my mom loves flowers. So, I tried nung pandemic season maging plantita. Pero for some reasons, namamatay sila. Pero, yun nga, binigay ko siya sa mom ko. And now, I'm staying with my mom again, with my parents. So, ayun, siya yung nag-aalaga ng mga plants namin. Ay, ganon. Eddie, don't give her flowers. Build her a garden. Ah, ang sweet! Sweet. Grabe. Namamas ko po. Next cover notebook. Uy, hindi ko alam yung song na yun. Sorry, I'll research. Ano yun? City Pop. Yes, I'm a fan of City Pop. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yan. Kahit pakinggan lang. Ang galing naman ng HR center namin. Ako pala yung 5th gen member nyo. Hello, MNF48 Markikitos. Ang funny. About what ulit yung KMJS episode mo? About dun sa audition ng Miss Saigon that time. Bakit naging kamukha mo na si Kami o si Abby? Uy, ang ganda nun na. Tigilan niyo ako. Hindi ako ganun level. Ang ganda-ganda ni Miss Abby. Actually, nung nakita ko siya, may makeup man o wala. May tulog man o wala. Stress man o hindi. Ang ganda niya. And I think it's yun eh. Beauty is not just about, you know, the physical appearance. But it's really, you know, how you exude your confidence or your who you are as a person. And Miss Abby is just an amazing person. So, yeah. Si Karil, si Rita, saka si Rita, nakita ko din that time. I'm a fan of Rita, by the way. She's a very amazing person for me. Si City, yes, nakita ko din si City that time. Uy, alam niyo na, ang galing niyo naman, minutes long. Yan, na-joke kasi yung notebook. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko gets. So, actually, pag nagjo-joke yung 4th gen, medyo slow din ako. Like, ano yun? Tapos, usually, ang dami kong kausap. Ano na ako, I'm used to that. I'm very used to that na marami akong kausap sa work. Like, Miss Lay, ito, Miss Lay, ito. So, ganyan talaga ako makipag-work lagi. So, pag nakikipag-usap sila sa akin, sa mga members, natatawa sila kasi sabi niya, tingnan mo si Hana, tinatry niya talaga kausapin lang. Tapos, hindi niya gets yung joke. Ayun. Mga Detective Conan talaga. Sorry. Ang galing nyo, guys. Mga Sherlock. Uy, fun fact about me. I really love Sherlock Holmes. So, nung bata ako, hindi ko siya mahanap, guys. Meron akong ka-schoolmate. Ka-school service ko siya. Angela pangalan niya. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung last name niya. Si Ate Angela. So, wala siyang masyadong friend for some reasons. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko matandaan bakit. Because maybe she has a very strong personality. She's a little geek, similar with me. So, naalala ko nasa top section nung grade niya. So, ako din naman, nasa top section ako. So, lagi kami magkasama sa library. Tapos, we're playing, grade 1 pa lang ako nun, grade 6 na siya. So, we're playing like, ako si Moriarty, not Moriarty, sino yung assistant ni, Dr. Watson. Ako si Dr. Watson. Siya si Sherlock. So, nagsasolve kami kunyari ng mystery problems. Sa school namin, kasi malaki yung school namin. So, nagbabasa kami ng Sherlock Holmes. So, actually, meron akong yung makapal na book ng Sherlock Holmes. Pati yung mga series ng Sherlock Holmes because I really am a fan of Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, si Dr. Watson ako. Pero ngayon, syempre, gusto ko ako si Sherlock. Yeah. Paano mo na-discover MNL48? First time ko manood ng live mo. Hi, Rai! So actually, I am already familiar of MNL48 even when they debut. Kasi syempre meron silang show sa Showtime, so laging nanonood yung family ko na Showtime. But that time, I didn't have the confidence to audition. And yeah, I was studying that time. Medyo sinet aside ko yung passion ko in performing that time. So actually, yung audition ko sa Miss Saigon, that's why it was very important because it was the last audition that I did before ako bumalik sa pagpe-perform, which is theater. It was long time ago, maybe 7 years. So 7 years ako hindi kumanta, hindi nag-perform. I was just working. So when theater opportunity came after pandemic, I realized the importance of arts and music. nung pandemic season. So, when we got back, doon ako bumalik. Yes, yun lang story about it. So, remember me from Mega? Yes, Johan, I remember you. Naabutan din ng live ni Miss Yana. Hello, user 9966550. Grabe naman, magpangalan. So there, hi! So, good evening, Ate Yana. How does it feel na part ka ng MNL48? Carl Adam 31. Actually, every day that I wake up, when I remember that I'm part of MNL48, similar pa rin yung feeling ko on day 1. Parang sabi ko, maybe because hindi pa ako masyadong nakakapag-perform. That's why hindi ko pa masyadong na-internalize. Kasi nandun pa rin ako na parang feeling ko, wow, I did it. Wow, some people appreciate me and my talent. And wow, nabigyan ako ng chance. Napili ako amongst, other people who may be more deserving. But I was picked. There was a reason. So every day, of course, I start with that thought, and then that's what motivates me to prepare for the day, to training, for example, or take care of myself, of course. So yun po. Cute naman ng tanong. I like it. Paano mo wala na. Okay na. Just call me Carl Badiana. Hi, Carl. Yes. I hope that you can always watch my live. So, there. First time kita nakita. Perform kayo soon sa school ko nung junior high school. Yeah, I hope so na magkaroon kami ng ganong activities. So, of course, why not? I'm always been a fan since 2020. Wow! Sino yung Kami Oshi mo? Sige nga, lapagan ng Kami Oshi. Wow! Nag-threat. Yes. Okay. 41 na. Wow! Ang solid ng 40 people. Grabe. Wait lang. Tingnan ulit natin yung mga comments. Yan. Wala masyado Morn, ito, si Rick _Sue. Hi! Thank you for always tagging me sa mga repost mo. So, I remember you, Rick, soon. So, I hope that I can see you soon. So, sabi niya, morning, oh my pumpkin, rain, German Irish, Hinatazaka 46, night, Minatoku, parsley, Sakurazaka 46. Wow, very specific naman. Yes. Thank you for sharing. Ayan. Nag-aano ako, guys. Nagbabasa ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kami Oshi. Before kami Oshi Abby now, wala pa. Baka ikaw. Uy, thank you naman, Dream. Wala pa ako Kami Oshi. Baka ngayon meron na. Yes. Choose your Kami Oshi wisely, Charis. Yes. But I hope the one that you choose is someone, of course, who will inspire you every day. Yung support nyo, may patutunguhan, of course. Because, let's be honest, the time that you're giving to us just from watching our lives, yung mga gifts na binibigay nyo, of course, that's coming from your own pockets, from your own efforts. Time is gold. So, I hope that, of course, yung susuportahan nyo, they give something for you as well. Motivation, yung, inspiration to always get you keep going every day. Ngayon kami, Oshi, secret. Ay, nagsisecret pa si Eddie Meow. Okay. Okay. Wishlist. Anong wishlist mo? Tulog. Number 1 wishlist is tulog talaga, guys. Promise. Grabe. Promise, parang siguro may bakasyon kasi kami sa December. So, promise, matutulog ako. That's number 1 wish list. So, actually, natatawa ako. Kwento ko lang sa inyo. always though, in all the companies that I've joined, every time that I get promoted, they would always ask, parang, what's your motivation? Blah, blah, blah. What keeps you going? Or principle, like that. Ako talaga, I always aim to be able to sleep peacefully at night. So, sleep is very important for me kasi there are reasons why you won't be able to sleep well. So, those are the things na iniiwasan ko talaga para makatulog ako ng maayos. So, yes, number 1, sleep. Yes. And of course, to be able to perform more. I'm really looking forward for that. Iba yung fulfillment talaga na nabibigay. And, yeah. Nakita ko entry ko doon. Yeah. Dapat ako kami. Yun. May kami, pero grad na siya. Yes, actually ako din. Kami Oshi ko si Ate Shekti. Paano makatulog? Paano makatulog guys? Ang dami. Sleep is for the weak. True naman siya, but it's a need. Matulog kayo guys. Sleep is the best medicine. Yes, and also laughter. It's true. Soldiers of life. Oo. I don't know sleep. Pare-pares pala tayo nandito eh. 9:48 na. Hi yan, sino ba nag-composition of Oh My Pumpkin? So, composition, I think they are from AKB48. But yung translation, actually, meron ba nakalagay sa credits? Hindi din kasi introduce sa amin, actually. So, even if there's one person na gumawa ng translation, in-approve pa yun ng AKB. So, I think ganun talaga yung process ng All for TH. So, sa kanila talaga nang gagaling. So, what time is your life ended po, Ate? Gusto mo na ba? De, joke na. Nagalit. Extend kahit minute lang. Yes, I'm gonna end my life 10 p.m. Okay. Uy, ang haba nun, no? Almost 2 hours, First time mom si Shex. Hi, Rixu! You're here! Napapasarap pa siya sa live. Di, actually, gusto ko 2 hours talaga ako mag-live. So, all weekdays, medyo busy lang kasi may work. Yes. Pero, and sometimes may training kami weekdays. So, yes. Wala na tayong mapag-usapan. Tama na. Tulog na. Paano kayo matulog? Student po, Ate Yana. Student of life. Charis. Yeah, not anymore. Not anymore. I'm a working girl now, so a little bit about me is, aside from me being part of MNL48 as a 4th generation member, by the way guys, for those new, I'm MNL48 Yana. So, I'm part of 4th generation of MNL48. So, aside from it, I am HR head of 2 companies. So, yeah, ayun yung ginagawa ko. I'm usually, ang forte ko po is recruitment, but actually, I also do operations management. So, ayun yung ginagawa ko ngayon, guys. Of course, kasama sa responsibilities ko is learn further. So, I attend like workshops. That's why I go to other countries sometimes. I attend conferences and, yeah, to network with other companies. Ganun ginagawa. Yeah. Can you type the green version na parang sisig? Ay, thank you. Hindi ako marunong mag-type. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Ang random na ng question. Sobra. And I like it. I hope you like it too. Amy! Hello! Si Coco. Ayan. Ang dami naman. Yung brother ko, ano din yun? Oshi niya si Coco. Wait lang, paano ba mag-type? Hindi ko alam eh. Struggle is real. Akala ko kasi magsasalita lang. Ano ba? Una. Ay, may na-discover ako may mga backgrounds. Ayan o. Laro. Yoko na nga. Ganito pala. Kakapalit lang ng cortina. Sorry. Kusog pa. Binili ko yan eh. Ay, may mga effects. Wow, grabe naman yung Ayoko na nga. Huwag na tayo mag-filter. Ina-explore ko lang, sorry. Stickers. Ay, may mga stickers pala. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Naglagay ako ng sticker. Request a song. Mag-live ka ba tomorrow? My next live, let me check my schedule. Wow! Let me check my schedule, guys. So, my next interactive live actually is with MNL48 Dina, MNL48 Cole, MNL48 Clario. But it may change pa rin naman. So, I'm so excited for it as well. So, hold on. Yung next live ko ay wag na daw mag-live. Joke. Wala pa kami schedule for next live. So, yung interactive live lang, catch me on September 20! That's a Saturday, guys. So, manood kayo. Wala kayong dahilan. Walang pasok. Unless, kayo, rest day OT, or may shift kayo ng, Saturday, pero manood kayo. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ang sungit! Are you currently home or overseas? Hello, Joe! You're here! Asking for a friend next to me. I'm already at home. So, I'm a YouTuber po, pero beginner pa naman po. Oh, good job, Carl! Keep it going. So, lumalabas na naman, Tita Mers. Kailan next training nyo? Marami. Actually, sunod-sunod na. So, secret, of course. Please shout out my Thailand friend, Uniqlo48. Hi, at Uniqlo48. Uniqlo48 lang pala. Can you spell the Korean sisig? Odolpyo. Hold on, I will share with you guys. Odolpyo. Ako may pasok nun. Ka naman. Odolpyo. Odolpyo. Yan. Ba't hindi ko siya ma-search or Odolpyo ata? Odolpyo. Hindi siya ma-search for some reasons. Bakit ganun? Weird. Korean food. Hindi ko siya ma-search, guys. Ayan. Odolpyo. Odolppyo. Ayan. Odolpyo. Yun na, guys. Odolpyo. Yun. Ito, guys. Papakita kasi. Ganyan siya. Kita nyo. Sarap. Ang anghang. Hi, Sunny! Miss Ma'am! Yes! Magkakaroon na ako ng Interactive Live Season 2. Thank you again, Eddie Meow! Yes, sunod-sunod na, guys. Hi, Rixu! Thank you! Fire! Thank you! Yes, Odolpyo! Right. Double P daw. Double P. Thanks, Grim! So, yes, just 3 minutes left before I end our live. So, user blah 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 for Jen Rambulan sa live, sa iLive. Gusto ko nga eh. Sorry naman. Hindi tayo naka-attend that time, I think. Or hindi natuloy, yes. So, but soon, of course. 3K na lang, 100K na hearts, 100K hearts na. Sige na, pindutan na! Pangit na! Pindut na, guys! Push the button! Thoughts on Milk Club? Sorry, Milk Club. Good night song bago mag-end. Yes, I want to have a good night song before time again. Twinkle, twinkle, little go. Tap, tap na, guys! Please, tap, tap. Tap naman. Sorry naman. Oh, sorry na. Anyong yanamnida. Hello. Yon, okay. Pindutan na. Sorry na. Naalala ko kasing pindutan na sa parang one show na may ganun. Yes, parang naalala ko one show na gumagawa nun. So anyway. So before we end our session live, no? Ano bang katay natin? Request a song. Dali na, guys. Nag-put na nga ako ng sticker. I don't know kung tama. Diyan ba? Yeah. Hindi ko mahanap yung Miss Saigon edition mo. Tanggal mo na sticker, Eme. Oo nga. Golden. Okay. Give Love on Christmas Day. Uy, why not? Ano bang unahin ko? Kinanta ko na yung yung Golden. So, kantayin naman natin yung Give Love on Christmas Day. Ang aga, pero okay. Ito. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just presents from his door. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Give me love. Pakinda ng mga sobre nyo. Yes po. Mamamas ko po. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so that concludes. That ends our live, guys. I hope.
If you want to know, you have to ask me. Personally.